In this video, we will be going through my decision-making thought process and how I get started with my garden layout. Some years, I will write out a garden layout to the T, and others, I will just kind of free flow, like this year. We will be focusing on my full sun skinny driveway garden only. Side note, I hope this video will inspire you to use all of your valuable, untapped gardening real estate. This situation is perfect for that long, slender, 1-foot gardening method for small gardens and beginner gardeners. We will also follow the natural progression of taking down our garden, which can be very enjoyable. Throughout the entire video, I will throw in some seed variety photos, and maybe something will catch your gardener's keen eye that you would like to grow in your own garden. Time to get to it. But first, okay, you guys, it is May 15th, and where do you start when you are just trying to sort of free flow your garden layout? I start with what I am the most excited about and what came up, and that is, for me, the number one thing is I've got about 5 different varieties of tomatoes I want to showcase, and I have got 2 different mini cantaloupe that I want to try, and I also have those big trellises. So I'm gonna start here with the tomatoes, then with the melons. My marigolds, I planted these or started these with the intent of these being filler flowers. And the next thing to me that is of importance are these gorgeous, I think they're called brushstroke violas. Just really caught my eye, so that's going to be my next important thing. And then the 4th thing in order of priority are going to be these grand bell pepper mix. Okay, so first thing is I need to see if these trellises will fit in which spot. Either right here, which obviously this is where I chose to put them. I also thought about right here, however there's footers under here and they would not go in. So that has now made the determination that the tomato plants will be over on this side of the skinny driveway. All right, the next thing that I need to determine is where are these Peter Pan hybrid squash gonna go at? Because these are a patty variety. I'm very excited about them. I have put them here, not in toilet paper tubes, but in paper towel tubes, because zucchini, squash, and melon, cucumber, they can get crazy roots real quick. They're really good growers. So that's what I chose to do, and it has helped out a lot. So my next decision is, where do I put these at? The greenhouse, I've got it drying out so that I can take the cover off and put it back in the original box when it's nice and dry. But I just wanted to see what this looks like under this cardboard. How many worms? Oh yeah, look at that. you guys see that? Ooh, look at that, look at that. All right, look at them. They have really been enjoying that cardboard for the last 5 weeks. Look at that. August 27th. Guys, we talked about where do I start. Now, how do we end the garden season? Well, first and foremost, we start pulling out things that had reached the end of their life. This is where the Peter Pan hybrid squash, summer squash was. Once these go out, these get pulled out. So probably within the week, these will be pulled. Once this melon ripens, there's nothing else on here. I can go ahead and pull the rest of this after it's ripened. I've had a full slip. I've already done that here. Okay, so from last time I did my chore of taking out the cucumber, it was done. You can also see that I took down all of the trellises and the melons. Those were so good. I love when fall comes because you can slowly chip away and clean up your garden. It's not such the mad dash and mad rush as it is for me anyway in the 3 days of getting everything in, because you want everything to get started. Of course, you know, you're always going to have your succession things going on the side. Look at that lemon right here. November, a couple more months, I might have some lemons. So I kind of like the pace of a fall cleanup because you just chip away as nature allows you to. It is September 30th and it is time to start tearing the garden down. We've got some fantastic color on our trees and it's not going to stay warm for very much longer. I've already kind of been piecemealing this. Take down a little bit. Look at this huge worm. But we've had a fantastic garden season this year. I'm gonna leave these marigolds because there's nothing hurting that, but we're gonna take down these tomatoes and these tomatoes. It is September 30th and I had an outstanding time with these tomatoes, but it's time for me to rip them out. Tomorrow is gonna be October 1st. And you can see that some of these are already drying up on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these. Plus when it gets to be a certain degree at night, they really just stop producing. And the one that's probably ripened the most out here, still remaining on the plant, is this blue cream berry. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take those off at the trusses. And man, this was a sensational tomato here, but these stopped growing. When they get to be this little, they're not going to be viable. Even if you take them in and think that they're going to ripen for you, they'll slowly ripen, but they have this leathery feel, not good. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these all out. Guys, it is October 4th today. Lots of leaves, and it is time to continue closing out this garden here. All the tomatoes are down. Gotta put the stakes away, gotta put the hose away. Got some more lettuce going though, and the peppers. Peppers are really the only viable thing here to eat, so I'm gonna harvest those in a moment. But look at how well they did for us. Some more over there. Oh, look at this nice big one down here. Nice big red one. These marigolds did so flippin' good for me. Gonna collect some of those seeds. Guys, it is October 24th. I've been doing lots and lots of clean out. And look at that, it's beautiful. The only thing that I have left is this lettuce and some herbs and some seeds drying. Look at how gorgeous this all year round lettuce is. So you guys, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna have a tremendous salad. I mean, there is a lot there. And I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I invite you again to subscribe, as I have been gardening for over 40 years and have a lot to teach, show, grow, review, experiment with, and my favorite, a specific variety everything deep dive. So let's try new things together, mix it up, and have a glorious day.